Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today we are going to talk about wood wall art ideas for home decoration. Wood wall art decor is the perfect way to spice up any room. Today we are going to share the best wood wall art ideas to give you some inspiration on how you can use wood, which is one of the most useful and versatile materials to decorate your room walls. These wooden wall decor ideas save you both time and money compared to traditional artwork and are incredibly easy to customize. You can even refer to these ideas and make your own DIY wood wall decorations. Number 1. Some tips to choose wood wall decor. Defining your color palette is the first step to finding wooden artwork that will add a unique aura to your room. Is your room decorated with cool colors or warm colors? A common perception is that wood is often associated with a warm color palette. However, there are paint colors and wood designs that are perfectly suited to any room with cool colors. As with every aspect of home decor, it is important to think about practicality. To be hung properly, some heavy wood sculptures may require nails to be securely fixed on the wall. If you live in a rental property, apartment or a dorm, you should choose wooden wall art that is lightweight and requires no screws to hang. If you are into sound-absorbing devices, look for wall art in wood with as much surface area as possible. From a physical perspective, for wood materials, more surface area means more sound absorption, and more sound is absorbed means everyone can enjoy the tranquility in their own space. It is truly an exciting journey to find the right wood wall art for your house. Take a look at these ideas below and try to open your imagination to all possibilities. Number 1. Geometric wood wall art. Hanging geometric wood wall art on empty and blank walls will add a stunning abstract and modern appeal to the walls. It is also a great way to give a sense of balance. You can position it on the focal wall behind the couch in the living room to impress any guest who enters your home. Adding a three-dimensional look to the walls, this wood art displays a combination of grays, navy blues and browns, presenting a rustic and inviting look that perfectly matches the farmhouse decor style. Wood block cut and reclaimed into X and V patterns make great accents in the hallway, entryway, living room and kitchen, bringing in organic vibes in those rooms. You can certainly create this wall decor yourself with wooden palettes. Number 2. Reclaimed barnwood wall art. Wood reclaimed from barn houses gives the piece a unique feel and old-fashioned look. Because it's weathered barn wood, there may be nails, nail holes and other marks in your artwork. Any imprint on this piece of wood wall art is authentic from what it has experienced in its long previous life. Unlike a mass-produced piece of wall art, the irregular fixed slats in this artwork will help provide a vintage style look to your room. Reclaimed and unfinished wood and rustic decor also go hand in hand. Number 3. Wood wall planter. Plant counters with strip style and grid style are a great way to add lush greenery to the walls. It is also a smart choice for apartments that don't have enough floor space to place potted plants. You can also put a few of these on a staircase or outdoor walls. This is the easiest way to add a sense of openness by bringing in nature into your house. Number 4. Wooden wall sculpture. This hanging wall sculpture may become the perfect piece for your focal point. The deep tones and the artistic flair even make this piece ideal for Scandinavian or minimal decor themes. It is interesting to know that with its large and rough surface, this sculpture also acts as a sound absorber. There is a wide selection of color schemes and sizes to help it match to your space. Whether you decide to hang this sculpture in the music room, nursery, or living room, it will provide a calming visual feast. Due to the dimensionality of this piece of art, experimenting with light can be a fun way to change its appearance. Wooden artwork give your space a unique edge, rustic beauty, or sophistication. The soundproofing ability of wood also makes the room more convenient. And how wonderful when not only are these pieces pleasing to the eye, these pieces also relaxes you with sacred geometric designs or relaxing paint colors, adding a healing atmosphere to your space. If you are looking for wooden wall decoration ideas, hopefully these ideas will give you some inspiration. Wood wall decor is perfect for anyone who wants a rustic farmhouse look in their home.